Hey guys, I found some really great hard salamis at the market the other day, and I wanted to show you how to take the casing off of the hard salami without messing it up. And all we're going to need is a paper towel. So I'm just going to fold this up, get it a little wet, squeeze it out, because we don't, if it's too wet, the casing will actually break down and then it's worse. So we're just going to take this, wrap our salami in it, and this is a pheasant salami, so it should be really good when this is done. Okay, then we just let that sit for a few minutes. Usually 2 minutes is good, 3 minutes is good. You don't want to go too long because once again the casing will break down and then it makes it way worse to try to take it off. Alright, it's been about 2 or 3 minutes, probably closer to 3, and we're going to unwrap this. There we go. Now the next step is we want to cut off the end, because this end has a little staple in here which is used to hold the casing tight, and nobody wants to eat the staple. So we're going to take that out. Then I'm going to go along the side here and just do one cut, and this breaks the casing down one side. Okay, now I'm going to use the knife just to get the little corner started. See how it's coming off there? I'm going to do this on both sides. I think I can grab that. And then there you go. That was a little tough, but it's going. Alright, now just loosen up a little bit more. Get around to the other side. And it should just come off like a banana peel. There we go. Then we cut this off at the end. And there is our hard salami with no casing. Now it's time to cut it up and eat it. I would share, but I don't think that the food transfer through YouTube works very well yet. So out of concern for your safety, I'm not going to share. This may actually be the one made out of duck. See how dark it is? And there we go.